At this year's Drone Show Korea DSK 2025 in Busan, a notable keynote highlighted the potential of drone technology in transforming medical logistics, particularly in developing countries. Dr. Zhang, a health economist at the World Bank, presented compelling research on how drones could bridge critical healthcare gaps. Challenges in healthcare logistics. Developing countries face numerous hurdles in healthcare due to inadequate infrastructure and human resources. Financial constraints exacerbate these issues, leading to stark disparities in health outcomes. For instance, countries with lower income levels exhibit significantly shorter life expectancies and dramatically higher maternal mortality ratios, up to 9 times higher than those in more developed regions. Role of drones in addressing healthcare disparities. Dr. Zhang emphasized that drones could be a transformative tool for medical logistics, addressing several critical challenges. Overcoming infrastructure barriers. Drones offer a robust solution to geographic and infrastructural barriers, ensuring that essential medical supplies reach remote and hard to access areas efficiently, enabling efficient logistics. By providing timely deliveries, drones ensure that vital resources like blood and medicines are available where and when needed, thus improving the overall efficiency of healthcare services. Improving access to critical care. Drones enhance the availability of crucial medical resources, facilitating faster response times during emergencies and significantly boosting the capacity for critical care. Highlighting real-world applications. The case of Zambia. Dr. Zhang provided an in-depth look at Zambia, a country with a population of 20.7 million facing severe logistical challenges in healthcare delivery, particularly in rural areas with limited paved roads. Seasonal rains further disrupt access, making the delivery of essential health supplies inconsistent and often delayed. Historically, Zambia's flying doctor service has been crucial in providing aeromedical services and community health outreach. However, operational challenges like adverse weather conditions and high fuel costs make it difficult to maintain services. Drones could offer a sustainable alternative, enhancing the reach and efficiency of these critical services. The importance of drone modeling in healthcare. To substantiate the benefits of drones in medical logistics, researchers have conducted extensive drone situation analyses focusing on technology, regulatory frameworks, and capacity building. These studies underscore the importance of modeling to make informed decisions regarding network design and payload requirements, especially in adverse weather conditions where drones could significantly outperform traditional ground-based transportation. For example, in one Zambian province, transferring blood between hospitals can take up to 10 hours by road under normal conditions, while drones can reduce this time to just 3 hours. This time saving can be crucial in life-threatening situations, making a strong case for the adoption of drone technology in medical logistics. Drone Show Korea 2025, a hub for innovation. This year's Drone Show Korea continues to serve as a pivotal platform for discussing such innovative applications of drone technology. Dr. Zhang's research presents a strong argument for integrating drones into the healthcare systems of developing countries, promising to enhance the efficiency and reach of medical services where they are needed most. As the conference progresses, more insights are expected to surface, shedding light on the diverse capabilities of drones in modern logistics and beyond.